There's a fish you have never heard of, and yet whales, striped bass, and ospreys would all go hungry without it. It's small, oily, and bony. You would never want to eat it. But pull this one fish out of the ocean, and the entire Atlantic coast begins to unravel. This is the Menhaden. And the strangest part isn't what it does for the sea. It's what we do with it. Start with the fish itself. Menhaden are small and silver, and they swim in schools so vast they turn the water black. Millions of bodies moving as one. The Menhaden is not a hunter. It's a filter feeder. It swims with its mouth wide open and strains tiny plankton straight out of the seawater. A single Menhaden can filter several gallons of water every minute, cleaning the ocean as it goes. And that is its hidden superpower. It's a converter. Plankton is the foundation of the entire ocean, but almost nothing big can eat plankton directly. Menhaden can. They turn clouds of invisible plankton into pure, oily protein, and then everything eats the Menhaden. Striped bass, bluefish, tuna, and cod hunt them. Ospreys and eagles dive for them. Humpback whales lunge straight through their schools with mouths open. This is why biologists gave this humble fish an enormous title, the most important fish in the sea. Think about what that means. The smallest life in the ocean, plankton, is connected to the largest, the whales, through this one little fish. Menhaden are the bridge, and if you remove a bridge, everything trying to cross it falls. Now here is the twist. This fish that feeds whales and eagles, most of it never feeds anything wild at all. It gets vacuumed out of the sea by the hundreds of millions of pounds. Spotter planes fly overhead to find the schools. Then huge boats close massive nets around them. In a single year, around 300 million pounds of Menhaden were pulled from the Atlantic coast. And what does it become? Not food for people. The fish are ground down. The industry actually calls it reduction, into fish meal and fish oil. That oil ends up in pet food, in farm animal feed, and in the omega-3 supplements sold in every pharmacy. The most important fish in the sea, sold to you in a pill. So is that quietly crashing the ocean? Here's the honest answer. Scientists are genuinely split. Looking at the whole coast, the official assessments say the Menhaden population is not overfished. But zoom into the Chesapeake Bay, and the ospreys tell a darker story. Entire colonies of chicks starving because their parents can't catch enough Menhaden. Something is wrong exactly where the fishing is heaviest, even if the big number still looks fine. So why does a fish you will never eat matter this much? Because it is the quiet hinge the entire coast swings on. The real question isn't whether Menhaden matter, it's whether we'll notice they're gone before the whales and the ospreys do.